When someone calls us up interested in solar, the first thing we do is get their address so we can look up the property on our satellite images and start to take a look.
Hey Kurt, nice to meet you. My name is Joe, I'm with Sunlight Solar. What I'm going to do today is we're going to kind of go over your situation.
We'll get a sense of the orientation of the roof, if it's pointing generally due south and at what tilt. Southern exposure is best, but east and west exposures work well as well.
Okay, so you've got about a 16-year-old roof then, and I assume that's the original one.
In addition to the direction the roof is facing, we're also taking a look at any shade that might be present from trees that might be on the property or maybe even neighboring properties.
But really it looks pretty good, and I'm looking at your house right now. It looks like you do have a good south-facing roof.
We'll also take a look at the overall area of the roof that might work for solar panels and figure out how many panels would fit in different areas.
If you're looking at about probably a 7 kilowatt system, to cover most of your power.
We have web-based software and other tools that we can use to do remote assessments, measuring the size of different roof planes and determining how many different solar panels will fit in different roof areas. Different electric utilities have different rebate programs and net metering policies, so we'll figure out what utility serves a homeowner or business to understand what incentives are available and also what the value of energy saved by the solar system will be.
You get the federal tax credit, which is currently at 26%, so you take a quarter off basically.
We'll get a recent power bill from the customer and take a look at the bar chart which shows energy usage by month for the entire year so that we can size the solar system to make as much energy as used by the property, but no more.
It's got a graph on there that shows me what you use actually every month.
Every type of roof is compatible with solar. No matter what the type, Sunlight Solar covers the roof with our 10-year workmanship warranty, so we make sure that the integrity of the roof is guaranteed. We can start by sending out a pricing flyer, which gives ballpark examples of 3 different system sizes, how much energy and cost savings you get from each, and tax benefits, etc. But we can also prepare a preliminary estimate remotely, which will show you more specifically and in detail all of the details of materials, cost savings, and that gets us right to a better understanding of how a specific system might work for you.
Looking at it, looks like a great candidate. I'm glad you called.
After that first phone call, it's important to set up a site survey and just generally make sure that we understand all the details that will be needed to put together a proposal and a design for the solar system. You can call us right up at our office or visit our website, www.sunlightsolar.com. Get all the information that we have available there for you and also initiate a site survey right on our website.
Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for calling. Thanks for looking into solar for your home.
So that's it. A phone call is really all that's needed to get the conversation started. We're happy to answer all your questions, get you some preliminary information or maybe a detailed estimate over the phone. Absolutely no pressure. We're here to answer your questions.